Here we are at Sperry Chalet. Just reopened about a month ago, 2020. Here's the new dormitory. One of the few new things about this place is this pad of rock, and the stonemasons put in this really cool state of Montana rock right here. So up the stairs we go. The original stonework is still in place. You can see that the porches and whatnot have all been replicated, the railings. I've been here several times before the fire. It's been hard to notice actually any changes. They did such an amazing job with the reconstruction. This is the first floor. This is the room I happen to be staying in, room 2. 4 single beds. It's pretty typical of what you'll see in a room in Sperry. Maybe some doubles here and there. It's usually like one mirror, a few hooks on the walls to hang your things. Even the colors of the walls and the timbers are the same to my memory here in the chalet. One thing that is a little different is the staircase, which used to be a little bit terrifying. I think it's been brought up to code. And just take a quick walk up in here. Of course, the chalet doesn't have electricity, so it's pretty dark up here. And you can't see the upper hallway, but I promise you there's a number of rooms up here as well. There's 2 different downstairs entrances into Sperry Chalet. Love the new staircase, National Park Service. Good job. And then something else I think that's new. Here we go. You can see the NPS Sperry Chalet key 2020. And something else I think this is new. We noticed that there's Braille now, which is really cool. Accessible for all our national parks. So it's just a quick look around Sperry. Everyone's been so curious. It is just so beautiful and yet so largely exactly the same. And of course the things that could never be taken from Sperry by any fire is the amazing feeling of hospitality and Montana love that you feel when you get here. So here we are walking around outside on the famous porches. You can see views of the Lake McDonald Valley here. It's just a little bit smoky today. It'll make for a pretty sunset. And then walking down here to the end of the chalet, this is walking out towards Lincoln Pass, which is about a mile from here. A highly recommended day hike. And you can see Lincoln Peak out there in the distance. We hiked up there last night. You'll often find mountain goats and other critters hanging around here in the evenings. Here's the view back up down the length of the chalet here. And then I'll walk you to the end so you can see the Como Basin that we all hiked up today. Went up to Como Pass and into the Sperry Glacier Basin. You can see it's 2020 here. We're in the midst of the pandemic, so people are masked and whatnot. And so walking to the end of the porch here, you can look up and see Como Pass, and just over that is the Sperry Glacier. Absolutely fabulous. Just down here, that's the kitchen where the Sperry Chalet staff makes meal after fabulous meal. And here's Sperry's famous bathroom. There's 3 lovely toilet stalls and 2 sinks with refreshing cold water. It's a pretty luxurious place to be 7 miles up from it all. Lucky us. So come visit Sperry with us one of these years. 6-day ultimate chalet tour or 3-day Sperry tour.